Hello, I'm Mallory Henig, and thank you for viewing my final project for Cloud and Server GIS. My final project is geocoding the community status book. So here's a brief overview of what I will go over in the presentation, and we'll go out and do a demo on ArcGIS Online at the end. So some background. The Community Status Book is a comprehensive document of United States communities defined by FEMA and their participation with the National Flood Insurance Program. If a community participates with the National Flood Insurance Program, they get the benefit of flood insurance at a set rate, and also can make stricter floodplain management regulations within the community. A non-participating community cannot purchase flood insurance pretty much anywhere, and also they are pretty much ineligible for disaster assistance, especially with living in a high-risk area. I chose this information because I work as a FEMA map specialist, and I realize that a lot of the stakeholders need this information for different purposes, and the only information that it comes in is a PDF, HTML, or CSV file, so I figured that a web map would be a lot easier for to search for that information. Here's the workflow. I wanted to originally do the whole United States, but that did not work out, and I just decided for the purpose of this project to go with just one state, being Virginia, since I live there right now. And so I collected the community status book for Virginia and the place locations for shape files to geocode that from the United States Census. I joined that information and in ArcMap, and then also created a database and shared that as a service. However, I realized once I shared that as a service and brought it up in ArcGIS Online that it was not a clickable map, so I decided to add in the shape files separately. And then I'm going to create a website in Weebly and put the web map and showcase that there. So conclusions and lessons learned. So there was a lot of data management issues. I'm not sure how FEMA organizes the information, but that probably could have been handled a little bit easier with some minor fixes, such as all the text was capitalized, and also there were some special characters, and just fixing that would be a lot easier, because with a join that was not working with the other data from census because it didn't match up correctly. So I did fix that pretty easily in Excel, but this project probably could have been handled a lot easier with scripting. Unfortunately, I don't have that type of experience, but hopefully in the future I will, and then I'll be able to utilize that with the rest of the community status book. The CSV files were not as flexible as originally thought as well, and I actually just ended up using an Excel table in ArcMap. For the future, I hope to work on this more with the rest of the United States, but maybe scripting would be a lot easier for that. So let's go to our demo. So here is the map I created in ArcGIS Online, and then here is the web app. So let's zoom out a little bit. There's Virginia. And here's Alexandria. So here's all the information. It's pretty easy to search. Thank you so much for viewing my final project.